2011 Yamaha Grizzly 550 here. I'm going to show you it start up and run. Hear it. There's no issues as far as transmission. Compression is good. Starts up great. We do have the baffle out of the muffler, so it is going to be a little bit louder than stock. So you may hear that. But the motor is in great condition. Four-wheeler's in great condition. Just got rolled, so the plastics and a couple other things are bent up pretty good on it. So we've got the plastics off here. I just wanted to show you this four-wheeler. We've got ignition switch on. We're going to go ahead and fire it up here. That's the motor running there. I'll show you. We'll check oil so you can see that oil level on it. Here's the other side of the four-wheeler. I'm going to hit that throttle for you so you can hear it rev up. Shut it off, and then we'll check that oil level. All right. Thanks for watching.